Hello, how are you?
Kanya Pavilion. I'm
Thank you.
perfect. Thank you for asking.
Thank you. Hello. Hello.
The oldest, 440 years old vine in the world is growing in the northern city of Maribor. Up to 100 precious bottles of wine are made from the grapes of this vine each year. Goods harvested from Mother Earth and from the sea are nurturing everyone at the table. No wonder in 2021 we were awarded the distinguished title of European Region of Gastronomy. And when your body or imagination wants to fly, you can do it easily on the back of a horse. Those Lipizzaner are sheer joy with almost mythological beauty. And as in the case of Black Swan, the Lipizzaner offspring is black too. It is all about the process. It is all about the transformation. Like our national anthem says, last but not least, here's to us, dear friends, to all of us living good in our hearts. Here's to you, dear traveler. Thank you for indulging your senses and your green kindness. And now, we invite you to enter into the multiverse of the Slovenian Smart Room. Welcome to the meet and greet with some of the brightest minds and achievements in Slovenian history and future next door. Creators of a new world from Slovenia with love. Hi, fellow traveler. Dive in with all the senses into new horizons. Into the calmness of our
Thank you.
nature. Feel love.
Thank you.
We have to protect the Earth with all the knowledge we have. We developed a state-of-the-art system to extract pollutants from the soil, securing uninterrupted growth and keeping our country green for future generations. Trees are covering more than half of our precious land, giving us not only quality raw material for our wood industry, but above all, generating our microclimate and producing the fresh air that we breathe. We have devised the methods of measuring and predicting black carbon and carbon aerosols in the atmosphere. Data that we are gathering with the infectious, researching, ultralight flight around the world will finally contribute to the global efforts of slowing and reversing climate changes. You know what can capture something impossibly small, like microplastic, out of the water? Innovation and top-notch knowledge. Our inventors contribute important parts to the technological mission through restoring and conserving clean water. The fabric of the future does not create any pollution. Even more, it can be woven only from plants. What a future, discovered already now. All created new is only forgotten old. Recycling at all levels, from micro to macro. A precious example in the field of recycling is also a world-renowned architect, Jože Plečnik. He incorporated all sorts of silent witnesses, precious details from Roman-era constructions, and even construction waste into some of his most famous creations. He He felt that the recycling of everyday materials was essential, creating a stable foundation worth preserving for centuries. Untangling the DNA stream enabled our scientists to define medical diagnostics for humans and develop non-invasive medicine, providing a perfect body treatment. This is natural transhumanism at its best. With the determination, we can reshape ourselves and our society. Like the monk from the previous century, Cistercian Simon Ašrić, he was one of the most prominent of wise Slovenian rebelists. They knew that nature is always right. All the knowledge from the past is here to serve the higher good of smart and zero-emission modern homes. We have to ensure that high-quality living with advanced technologies will prevail in the future. With our awareness, we will enable bees to pollinate more plants for more food, which will lead to a higher quality of life and eventually a greener planet. It's time for action. Leave the planet thriving for next generations. See you in the green and sustainable smart future. Thanks to you, it will be a bright one.
Me and you. Mitva. We're the ones to create a new world. Remember this word. Mitva. It always takes two to create something. So, be the one. Be the future. From Slovenia, we love. Yeah.
Have you been able to Slovenia? Not yet. Not yet? I would recommend take a map and see a little bit more information. And this is about the food, yes, traditional.
Any word, sir?
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, this is Elsa. This is the cookbook.